So you might be trying to figure out how you can convert a slow motion video to a normal motion video. So if it's slow and you want to turn it back to this normal one, this is basically how to do it. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find the slow motion video that you basically have. So I just recorded this slow motion video, right? So it's just a slow motion one, it goes slow motion after, and then that's that. Well, to go through and get that removed, what I'm going to want to do is I want to tap on the display right here, and I want to edit up this video. So click on the edit portion, there should be a little edit button somewhere, and then you'll come into this page. Now, if you look at the very bottom, there's going to be two tabs. There's going to be a normal tab here, and then this tab at the bottom. These two little indicators here and here will basically indicate what portion is going to be slow mode. So if I go ahead and have it all slow mode like this, you can see the whole video will be slow mode even from the beginning. But if you drag these all the way to the ending like this, that means that this video won't be slow motioned at all. So now if I click play, you'll see it's going to be normal the whole entire time. So that's basically how to do it. Now what you're going to want to do then is you want to go through and click done in the top right corner. And then it's going to take a second or two or it might glitch out. But at a certain point, it'll be good. And now this video will not be slow motion anymore. And it'll be normal the whole entire time. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.